Welcome to Rob on Holiday. In today's video, we're sharing everything you need to know to navigate the public transport system in Munich, Germany. Before we get into this video though, if you're planning to visit Munich, you'll want to check out our full Munich travel guide, in which we show you all of the best things to see and do in Munich in 3 days. The link to that video is in the description. Munich is Germany's third largest city, and its most popular tourist attractions are spread out across the entire city, so you'll probably need to use public transport at some point during your trip. But before we talk about city centre travel, let's talk about getting from Munich Airport to the city centre. Munich Airport is about 30 kilometres northeast of the city centre, so to get into the city you can take a taxi, bus or train. Taxis are available just outside the terminal building and will get you into Munich in around 45 to 50 minutes, depending on traffic. However, the much cheaper option is to take either the bus or the train. The Lufthansa Express bus is a dedicated service running between the airport and Munich Central Station every 20 minutes from approximately 5 AM to 8 PM. One-way tickets for the bus cost €13 for adults and €6.50 for children, and return tickets cost €19.30 for adults and €13 for children. A discount is available if you purchase your tickets online ahead of your trip. The journey from the airport takes approximately 45 to 50 minutes, but this is once again traffic dependent. The final option, and the option we chose, is to take the S-Bahn. The train station is located between the two terminals at Munich Airport, and both the S1 and S8 run from there to a number of city centre locations, including Marienplatz, Karlsplatz and Munich Central Station. Both lines take approximately 45 minutes to reach Munich, and one of the two services stops at the airport every 10 to 15 minutes. You can buy a single ticket for the train for €15.10, or if you plan to use more transport on the same day, you can buy an airport city day ticket, which covers all the city centre travel, including metros, trams and buses, as well as connections to and from the airport. This ticket costs €17.50 for one person, or if you'll always be travelling as a group, you can buy a group ticket for just €32.60, which covers travel for up to 5 people. These tickets are available from machines in the station or via the Munich Public Transport app, the MVV app. So now that we've talked about how to get to the city centre, let's talk about getting around within Munich. If you plan on using metros, trams and buses regularly while in Munich, the best tickets to buy are the day tickets, which cover travel on all of these modes of transport for the whole day. This costs €10.10 for one person, or €19.70 for a group ticket covering up to 5 people travelling together. If you'll only be travelling once or twice, you can buy single tickets for city centre travel for €4.20. These can both be bought from the ticket machines at metro stations and in the MVV app. Most of the tourist attractions you will want to visit whilst in Munich are located in and around Marienplatz. Marienplatz is home to the Munich City Hall and the beautiful Toy Museum, and is just a 3-minute walk from the Frauenkirche and a 5-minute walk from the Residenz. Marienplatz has a metro station which is connected to U-Bahn lines 3 and 6 and S-Bahn lines 1 to 8. Another popular place to visit in Munich is the Olympic Park and Olympic Stadium. To get here, take the U-Bahn line 2 from Munich Hauptbahnhof to Scheideplatz, and then transfer to the 144 bus from Scheideplatz to Olympiaburg. Alternatively, if you don't mind a 10 to 15 minute walk into the main Olympic Park, you can take the U-Bahn line 3 straight from Marienplatz to Olympiazentrum. If you want to visit the Nymphenburg Palace, the best way to get there is to take the number 17 tram from Munich Hauptbahnhof to Schloss Nymphenburg. If you're visiting Munich, you may well be planning to also take a trip out to Neuschwanstein Castle, which is located a 2-hour train ride away from the city. The nearest train station to the castle is Fussen, which can be reached from the Munich Hauptbahnhof in just over 2 hours. The best ticket to buy for this train is the Bayern ticket, which costs just €34 and covers transport on trains and buses throughout the Bavaria region. You can add up to 4 additional passengers to your ticket for €10 per extra passenger. So for example, for the 4 of us to travel to Neuschwanstein for the day, it will cost us €64. These can be bought at the station or via the Deutsche Bahn website. We would recommend booking these tickets in advance of your trip, especially in the busy summer months. Once you arrive in Fussen, you will then need to board the 73 or 78 bus to take you from Fussen to the Neuschwanstein Ticket Centre. The stop you need is Hohenschwangau, Neuschwanstein Castles and Schwangau. If you want to know more about visiting Neuschwanstein and exactly how to get to the castle and the Marienbrücke, check out our full Neuschwanstein travel guide. The link is in the description. So now that we've covered how to buy tickets and which lines you'll need to use while in Munich, we thought we'd finish the video with some general tips for using public transport in Munich. Tip number 1. Know the name of the station at the end of the line in the direction you're travelling. This is a name that will appear on signs at the train stations and bus stops, so it's the best way to check that you're getting on the right vehicle. To find this out, check out the official maps of the U-Bahn, S-Bahn and bus networks in Munich online or in the station, or search for your specific journey using Google or Apple Maps. Tip number 2. Have Google Maps ready on your phone. If you're unsure about which metro to board where, Google Maps is your best tool. Simply type in the journey you want to make and it will provide you with all the information you need, including the metros, trams and buses to take, which direction to travel in and even which exit to take out of the stations. Tip number 3. Download the MVV app before your trip. The easiest way to use transport in Munich is to use the MVV app. In the app you can search routes and buy and view your tickets. This means that you can buy your ticket whenever you're in the city and start using it immediately rather than searching for the nearest ticket machine. Tip number 4. Leave plenty of time for getting to reservations. Public transport is generally reliable, but delays do happen. Not only that, but even if a journey is supposed to take only 5 minutes by U-Bahn, this may not take into account you walking to and from the platform and up and down flights of stairs at stations. So if you have to be somewhere at a specific time, leave well in advance to ensure that you don't miss your reservation. That's it for today's video. We hope you found our Munich transport guide useful. If you have any questions about visiting Munich, please put them in the comments section below and we'll get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Rob on Holiday, and we'll see you next time.